Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming two essentials: power and connectivity. Plug the phone in or make sure it's above 50% so the update won't stop, and connect to stable Wi-Fi to avoid data errors. Once done, clear at least 2 GB of storage. Temporary cache can block installer writes, so the system can unpack files. Now open Settings, go to System Software Update, and tap Check for updates. You're initiating the download and allowing the device to verify integrity before install. If the update fails during download or install, you'll take targeted actions. First, clear cache and data for the System Update app in Google Play services to remove corrupted temp files. This often fixes checksum failures. Next, reboot the phone to stop background tasks and retry the download so transient locks are lifted. If your router blocks traffic, make sure to try a mobile hotspot or alternate Wi-Fi, because server reachability issues cause stalled or partial downloads and corrupted packages. You'll finalize by installing and letting the device reboot without interruption. That final reboot applies changes and optimizes apps. If the phone won't boot or enters a boot loop, boot to recovery mode and clear the cache partition first. This preserves data while removing leftover files. Make sure to back up important files before deeper actions. If recovery fails, perform a factory reset as a last resort. It resolves persistent errors, but requires restoring your backup afterwards so you don't lose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.